The extra large is available in cayenne, moss, and aubergine.
We didn't have 6.5 in the plum, so I brought you black.
But I really want plum.
Do you think moss is pretty?
You know, I don't know, lady. Why don't you just pick a color, please? Dave? That's Dave Johnson. He never struck me as the kind of guy who'd go get small. Wow. So the decision to...
Downsizing takes the pressure right off, especially money pressure. We live like kings.
We're dying to move. We're really strapped.
You want my advice? Leisureland's where you want to be.
In Leisureland, your $100,000 translates to $12 million.
Wow.
I just got another diamond bracelet.
Pretty nifty, huh?
Okay, let's go for it.
Nervous?
Little.
I love you.
I love you too.
Today, you will undergo the permanent and irreversible procedure known as downsizing.
All clear.
He's just frantic. You've got to call.
Paul, don't be mad at me. Please don't be mad. I can't leave my family. I can't leave my friends. And I'm sorry, Paul.
I should have been thinking more about myself.
Thinking about yourself? I'm 5 inches tall! As large as you can, please.
I know this can put a pretty big dent in anyone's self-esteem. But downsizing is about hitting the reset button. Start all over.
I have allergies. Wait. I'm gonna take off my shoes.
You may find yourself
Open your eyes.
in another part of the world.
The world is filled with things to see.
And you may say to yourself, my God, what have I done? Letting your days go.
That woman is really sick.
You help her.
Days go by.
These are the people that we should be helping. Something very big is happening. Something top secret.
As it ever was.
Why did I downsize? So that I could be here, right now. I finally have a chance to do something that matters. You think we're in the normal world, and then something happens. Oh my God. And you realize we're not.
Same as it ever was.
So why Tahiti? What brought you here?
I want to chase adventures. Hello, who's this guy? What's it like sailing out there all alone?
You're either sleep deprived or seasick, and after a few days, there's hallucinations.
Why do you do it?
Feeling I can't describe. Just you and the infinite horizon.
Is a burning thing.
How would you like to sail with us out of the California verse?
I think 1,000 miles is insane.
I'm not going anywhere without you. Come sail with me.
Bon voyage, lovers!
Hurricane Raymond has taken an unexpected turn and has been upgraded to a Category 5.
I love you.
Get below!
I'm not leaving you!
Get below now!
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Go!
Richard! It's gonna be okay. I'm gonna take care of you. I can't do this.
You can do anything you put your mind to. Halfway around the world, we'll find you.
I'm not letting you go.